Good morning, Wayfinder. If you do this routine every morning, you will feel lighter, younger, and more energized. It's similar to what I do every morning, and I'm looking forward to us sharing our practice so you can enjoy being you. And if you'd like to join, I invite you to meet with your feet together, hands by your sides. And let's take a breath here, breathing in, breathing out, relaxing the face. Breathing in, fist with the right hand, breathing out, palm with the left, and a bow, and acknowledging yourself for showing up for your practice. Breathing in, the left hand picks up the left leg, and we are into Qigong, standing, taking a breath here, breathing in. Landing now, dear friends, slowing the mind, coming into the body, breathing out. And ragdoll, arms are floppy. Relaxing the face, softening the forehead, the eyes, the cheeks, and the jaw. Welcoming yourself as you are this morning. And shoulder rolls, whole body shoulder rolls, getting your whole body into it. Warming up the body. Good morning, world. Good morning to this new, beautiful day. And changing direction. Beautiful. And swimming, opening up one arm, then the other, looking down the back arm, opening up. Beautiful. Feeling that opening in the chest, opening up your body, maybe a smile on the face, bringing that joyful energy into your day. Joy is an energy that can be cultivated. Beautiful, and a shake and a bounce and a flick. Shaking out energy. Shaking, releasing. Can you come back to presence? Noticing if there's any thinking happening right now. Coming back to your body. Letting it go. Training your awareness to rest. To not always be thinking. Beautiful, and rubbing the hands together. Creating some chi, some energy in your hands. And lightly covering the face, taking a moment. And giving yourself a face massage, nice and slow, around the eyes. Waking up the skin and the face. Giving yourself an ear massage, and then opening up your face really big. Stretching out, and crunching, scrunching up, opening up the face. Tongue out, permission to be silly. And scrunching up. Master Gu always said a Taoist doesn't need to use any products because they have a morning practice to keep them beautiful for years to come. Opening up. One more time, scrunching, letting the arms fall down, scrunch, 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 and opening up. Nice, beautiful, little shake, then into a wide horse stance. Hands just above the knees, tucking the bum. I'm going to do a really gentle spinal twist. Spinal twist, looking down one side, breathing in. Spinal twist other side, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Moving with your own breath, dropping into your body. Last couple. And coming up, coming up, coming up. Arms outstretched. Neck rolls. Taking it nice and slow. Warming up the neck. And going backwards if that feels okay with your neck. Not overdoing it. Getting into all the nooks and crannies, changing direction if you haven't already. Beautiful. And spinal breathing, bringing our fists together and breathing out, opening up. Breathing in, rolling the back. Breathing out, opening up. Breathing in. Breathing out. And here I'd love to invite an affirmation. So something you're calling in today in energy. So it could be, I trust my love. You could try saying that with me. So we curl, and then the affirmation, I trust my love. Because you do care, you do love. Can you trust that? Then what else? Saying, as we open, one sentence that could support you today. What is that for you today? Speaking it out into the world, let your voice be heard. Got two more here. What energy calling in? Beautiful. And tree trunk hugging, imagining there's a great big beautiful tree in your midst. Smile on the face. Relaxing the face, softening the forehead and the eyes. The cheeks and the jaw, soft bend in the knees. And we're going to spend a minute here watching your breath, noticing if there's any thinking. Come back to the presence of the here and now. Allowing the arms to float down by the sides. Breathing in the heavenly chi. Breathing out. Breathing in the earthly chi. Palms to the ground, breathing in, breathing out. The left hand picks up the left leg, breathing in, breathing out. And our Tai Chi salute, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left, bow, and acknowledging all the beautiful beings that we are sharing our practice with. Beautiful. Hope you have an incredible, energized, joyful, light day. And if you want to keep exploring movement, mindfulness, and so much more, we have a whole online academy with me and Master Gu. There's a link in the description, and a completely free 4-week course where you learn how to get deeper with Tai Chi, Qigong, Taoist philosophy, meditation, and so much more. Let me know in the comments what supports you to feel energized and lighter in the morning. And if you want to keep moving here on YouTube, there is a playlist somewhere. Love and blessings for your day.